Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for ID NYC online. So first in your search bar, just head over to nyc.gov slash ID NYC. And from this page, just scroll down, then click on the apply button. So from here, you can see that for you to be able to apply for an ID NYC card, you're going to need to make an appointment. And to do that, just click on the Make an Appointment button. Proceed by clicking on Make an Appointment button once again. And from here, all you have to do is start selecting a date of your appointment. You can also use filters here. Then select an enrollment center. Then proceed by clicking on Next. Next is choose time slot and fill in all the required fields. Then once everything is done, just proceed by submitting. Just click on the submit button. So from here, you can also see that you can get an ID NYC card without an appointment at certain locations. So you can go straight in to these locations, and you can also see here available days for each, but other locations besides this all require an appointment. You can also call 311 to make an appointment. So once an appointment is done, all you have to do is attend your appointment at the specific location that you chose. And from there, they will assist you in your application for an ID NYC card. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!